What's up mga ka-RM? Welcome back to RM Hobby Collection where we unbox, review, and bringing your favorite collectibles to life. So for today's video, we will be unboxing an anime figure from the Japanese series Overlord. So this is Albedo. Albedo is a product line of Buy Cute Ribbons, Buy For You. So as you can see, our figure is an MIB or mint in the box. So this is the front from the Japanese series Overlord, Buy Cute Ribbons figure. So this one is for 15 years old and above. So this is front, of course the top, the side, and another side showing the back of Albedo, and of course a full figure of Albedo. So come on, let's unbox this one. This is the figure inside. So we have the foot stand. So again guys, our figure comes from Boss D. Yan. So guys, if you want another figure, just message them. So this is now our figure. So as you can see, Albedo's face is protected, of course, with a plastic together with her hair. So again guys, this figure is 26, maybe around 26 centimeter or 10.2 inches in height. So again, our figure are very well painted and of course, it's not articulated. Perfect display lang talaga si Albedo. Let's check. Ito siya. So, our figure features Albedo in a purple ribbon theme outfit. Yan siya. Turn it around. Here niya. Yan siya. And of course, in front. So, as you can see, Albedo's eyes is very golden also. So let's review how it is. So very well painted siya. Yung pagkaka-purple niya is eye-catching. The scalp, yung hair niya, yung mga detailed hairlines, very detailed din siya. Yan. So again, ito lang yung nakita kong Albedo, which is naka-purple siya. So by the way guys, this figure was released May 13, 2026. And so, bago lang siya. So, normally nakikita natin si Albedo in white dress. Yan. So, ayun. So, again, thank you, Boss D, for our figure. And check natin siya. And closer look nyo. Yan. Kung nanonood kayo guys ng aking vlog, for previous vlog, Albedo is a fallen angel. Ayan. Ayan siya, yung detail sa likod. Ang ganda niya. Ayan. So, normally nakikita ko lang si Albedo or nag-unbox ako. Hindi siya naka-pony. So, ngayon ko lang siya nakita na naka-pony dyan. So, laging nakalugay yung buhok ni Albedo. So, again, this is Albedo from the Japanese series Overlord. And again, it is released May 13, 2026. So, guys, if you are a fan of Albedo, so must have nyo rin si Albedo na ganito. So guys, if you like my video for today, please subscribe and of course follow our YouTube and Facebook channel, RM Hobby Collection. And I'll see you again on my next hunt. And thank you for watching. Adios!